I found it in the National Geographic when we were trying to decide where to go, and we were talking online to do a couple of places. I was flipping pages talking to her, and there it was, with Dr. Zahari right there on the front page, and that was it. He's very knowledgeable, done a lot of incredible things.
Getting to see the Abu Simbel is my favorite place in Egypt.
Absolutely incredible. I don't know how they got it down here so far. Why would they want to put anything here? But it's beautiful. He's very knowledgeable. He's given us a couple of things to look at and remember, and some of the things we've done have been incredible.
Everything has seemed really safe. There hasn't been any issues.
No, not safety-wise. Yeah, it's been very safe. We've had guards in places, and everywhere you go, you can see guards and military and police to make sure nothing happens here. So yeah, I feel very safe here, definitely. I'm looking forward to coming back.